Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Speak and Shine Learning. I'm here to help you practice 200 simple English sentences. And I'm not alone today. My friend is here with me, and she will join us throughout this video to make learning more fun. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new lessons. All right, are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to learn with you all. Let's have some fun while practicing English. And hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. All right, let's not waste any time. Come on, let's start practicing together.
He wakes up early in the morning.
He wakes up early in the morning.
He stretches his arms and legs.
He stretches his arms and legs.
She drinks a glass of water.
She drinks a glass of water.
They eat breakfast together.
They eat breakfast together.
I put on my school uniform.
I put on my school uniform.
My mother prepares sandwiches.
My mother prepares sandwiches.
We walk to the park in the morning.
We walk to the park in the morning.
He rides his bicycle to school.
He rides his bicycle to school.
She combs her hair in front of the mirror.
She combs her hair in front of the mirror.
I brush my teeth carefully.
I brush my teeth carefully.
The dog drinks water from its bowl.
The dog drinks water from its bowl.
We feed the birds in the garden.
We feed the birds in the garden.
I pack my books in the bag.
I pack my books in the bag.
He greets the neighbors politely.
He greets the neighbors politely.
She ties her shoelaces.
She ties her shoelaces.
We cross the road safely.
We cross the road safely.
I open the classroom door.
I open the classroom door.
The teacher writes the date on the board.
The teacher writes the date on the board.
She reads the instructions aloud.
She reads the instructions aloud.
He solves the math problem quickly.
He solves the math problem quickly.
I ask a question about the lesson.
I ask a question about the lesson.
They discuss the topic in groups.
They discuss the topic in groups.
The students raise their hands.
The students raise their hands.
I listen to my classmates' answer.
I listen to my classmates' answer.
She draws a picture neatly.
She draws a picture neatly.
He organizes his books on the table.
He organizes his books on the table.
I copy the notes carefully.
I copy the notes carefully.
The clock shows it is break time.
The clock shows it is break time.
We eat snacks in the playground.
We eat snacks in the playground.
She shares her lunch with a friend.
She shares her lunch with a friend.
I drink juice from my bottle.
I drink juice from my bottle.
He plays cricket with his classmates.
He plays cricket with his classmates.
We run around the field.
We run around the field.
I tie my hair in a ponytail.
I tie my hair in a ponytail.
She cleans her desk.
She cleans her desk.
He throws the paper into the bin.
He throws the paper into the bin.
We sing a song together.
We sing a song together.
I practice my handwriting.
I practice my handwriting.
She reads a short story book.
She reads a short story book.
He memorizes new words.
He memorizes new words.
I fold my notebook neatly.
I fold my notebook neatly.
They laugh at a funny joke.
They laugh at a funny joke.
The sun shines brightly outside.
The sun shines brightly outside.
I water the plants in the garden.
I water the plants in the garden.
She waters her flower pots carefully.
She waters her flower pots carefully.
He opens the window to let in fresh air.
He opens the window to let in fresh air.
We listen to the birds singing.
We listen to the birds singing.
I pet the cat gently.
I pet the cat gently.
She feeds the fish in the tank.
She feeds the fish in the tank.
He cleans the blackboard.
He cleans the blackboard.
I arrange my pencils in a box.
I arrange my pencils in a box.
They practice spelling words.
They practice spelling words.
She studies for the test quietly.
She studies for the test quietly.
He writes a letter to his friend.
He writes a letter to his friend.
I read an interesting chapter.
I read an interesting chapter.
We review the previous lesson.
We review the previous lesson.
She draws a colorful picture.
She draws a colorful picture.
He corrects his mistakes.
He corrects his mistakes.
I pack my bag for home.
I pack my bag for home.
They say goodbye to the teacher.
They say goodbye to the teacher.
She walks to the library.
She walks to the library.
He returns his library book.
He returns his library book.
I borrow a new storybook.
I borrow a new storybook.
We read quietly in the library.
We read quietly in the library.
She underlines important points.
She underlines important points.
He studies geography today.
He studies geography today.
I learn new facts about animals.
I learn new facts about animals.
We discuss our favorite topics.
We discuss our favorite topics.
She draws a map on her notebook.
She draws a map on her notebook.
He colors his drawing beautifully.
He colors his drawing beautifully.
I share my ideas with classmates.
I share my ideas with classmates.
We help each other with homework.
We help each other with homework.
She checks her school bag.
She checks her school bag.
He puts his books in order.
He puts his books in order.
I leave school and go home.
I leave school and go home.
We talk about the day's lessons.
We talk about the day's lessons.
She eats an apple on the way home.
She eats an apple on the way home.
He drinks water from his bottle.
He drinks water from his bottle.
I greet my parents happily.
I greet my parents happily.
We wash our hands before lunch.
We wash our hands before lunch.
She helps serve lunch.
She helps serve lunch.
He thanks his mother for the meal.
He thanks his mother for the meal.
I enjoy my favorite dish.
I enjoy my favorite dish.
We clean the dining table.
We clean the dining table.
She rests for a few minutes.
She rests for a few minutes.
He reads a comic book.
He reads a comic book.
I practice writing new words.
I practice writing new words.
We water the plants together.
We water the plants together.
She plays with her younger brother.
She plays with her younger brother.
He rides his bicycle in the yard.
He rides his bicycle in the yard.
I do some stretching exercises.
I do some stretching exercises.
We practice speaking English aloud.
We practice speaking English aloud.
She draws pictures for fun.
She draws pictures for fun.
He listens to a story on the phone.
He listens to a story on the phone.
I play a board game with my family.
I play a board game with my family.
We laugh and enjoy together.
We laugh and enjoy together.
She prepares her school bag for tomorrow.
She prepares her school bag for tomorrow.
He checks the timetable carefully.
He checks the timetable carefully.
I finish my homework on time.
I finish my homework on time.
We take a shower in the evening.
We take a shower in the evening.
She wears comfortable clothes.
She wears comfortable clothes.
He sets the table for dinner.
He sets the table for dinner.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
We talk about our day.
We talk about our day.
She reads a short story before bed.
She reads a short story before bed.
He brushes his teeth carefully.
He brushes his teeth carefully.
I say my night prayers.
I say my night prayers.
I lie down and sleep peacefully.
I lie down and sleep peacefully.
The stars shine brightly in the sky.
The stars shine brightly in the sky.
The moon rises above the trees.
The moon rises above the trees.
The house is quiet and calm.
The house is quiet and calm.
I dream about fun adventures.
I dream about fun adventures.
He sleeps in his comfortable bed.
He sleeps in his comfortable bed.
She rests her head on the pillow.
She rests her head on the pillow.
I cover myself with a warm blanket.
I cover myself with a warm blanket.
The cat sleeps beside me.
The cat sleeps beside me.
The dog curls up on its mat.
The dog curls up on its mat.
The room feels cozy and safe.
The room feels cozy and safe.
I think about the happy moments of the day.
I think about the happy moments of the day.
He dreams about playing with friends.
He dreams about playing with friends.
She dreams about her favorite story.
She dreams about her favorite story.
I feel calm and relaxed.
I feel calm and relaxed.
We sleep peacefully throughout the night.
We sleep peacefully throughout the night.
The moonlight shines through the window.
The moonlight shines through the window.